Stop whatever you're doing right now. Stop. If you are a UAE national or you know someone who is, I need your full attention for the next 12 minutes because what I'm about to share with you closes in 5 days. The World Bank Group, one of the most powerful international development institutions on the planet, is offering a fully paid 2-year program exclusively for UAE nationals. You'll be placed in a World Bank country office working on real global developments projects in cities like Amman, Cairo, Buenos Aires, Mumbai, Lagos, Santiago, and more. You get a full salary, health insurance, mentorship from World Bank senior staff, international mobility, and at the end of the 2 years, a career profile that will open doors for the rest of your life. The deadline is July 15, 2026, and this is not a drill. Let's break it down in details. Welcome back to Scholarship, the channel where I curate the most important funded academic and professional opportunities for students and young professionals worldwide. Today's opportunity is especially for UAE nationals. So if that's you or you know someone who is, then share this video right now. Before we even get to the details, every day counts. Okay, so let's dive in. What is the WG Explorers Program? Okay, so it is a 2-year fully funded professional placement at a World Bank Group country office somewhere in the world, not at the headquarters, not in the classroom, but in a real operational office working on real development projects. So the World Bank Group is one of the largest sources of funding and knowledge for developing countries. It funds infrastructure, health system, education, reform, climate adaptation, digital transformation, agriculture, and so much more. And when I say funded, I mean literally hundreds of billions of dollars in projects around the world at any given time. Through the Explorers program, you become part of that machine, not as a bystander, but as an active contributor, working under the supervision of a task team leader or manager with structured mentorship and real project assignment. It runs on annual cohort model, meaning you join a group of peers, go through onboarding together, and build a global professional network from the day one. The positions are funded through a trust fund, meaning your salary and benefits are fully covered. You are not paying anything. You are going to be paid. Okay, now let us talk about who can apply, because this is very targeted. To be eligible, you must first be a UAE national. This program specifically opens spots for nationals of donor or developed countries. The current batch is exclusively for UAE nationals. Second, you need to hold a bachelor's degree in any relevant field: economics, agriculture, engineering, digital technology, finance, environmental science, water resources, business administration. The range is very broad. 3. Show a strong interest in international development work. You don't need years of experience. The program is designed to give you that experience. What they are looking for is potential analytical thinking, writing skills, curiosity, adaptability, and a willingness to move internationally. Fourth, you need to be fluent in English. This is a working requirement across all placements. Fifth, be internationally mobile. You are being placed in a country office outside the UAE. That's the whole point. If you are ready to pack your bags and work in Jordan, in Egypt, in Serbia, Brazil, South Africa, then this is for you. There's no maximum age limit specified. If you hold a bachelor's degree and meet the nationality requirement, then you are eligible. Talking about the roles, there are typically 15 available positions right now, because this is where it exactly gets exciting. These roles are across many different sectors and locations, and you can choose which one to apply for based on their background and interest. First one is in Amman, Jordan, and Jordan is one of the most strategically important countries in the Middle East, bordering Syria, Iraq, Israel, and Saudi Arabia. This role sits with the EMAE 1 unit working on economy policy. If you have a background in economics or public policy, then this is a gateway into the heart of Middle East developmental work. Role 2 is in Egypt, one of the most populous nations in Africa with massive urban development challenges and enormous land management needs. This role is within the IMAPU unit and would suit candidates with geography, GIS, environmental planning, or land related academic backgrounds. Role number 3 is in Europe. Serbia is one of the fastest digitizing economies in the Balkans. This role is within the DCIDU unit focusing on digital transformation. So, if you have a background in IT, computer science, or digital policy, then this one's for you. Role 4 is in Brazil, the country with the largest freshwater reserves on earth. The SLCWA unit works on water sector development across Latin America, a perfect fit for civil engineers, environmental scientists, or water management graduates. Role 5 is Africa, that is South Africa, most industrialized economy and a hub for continental developmental work. The EAEPV unit covers economic policy in Eastern and Southern Africa. If you are an economics or finance graduate with interest in Africa, then this is powerful positioning. Role 6 is in Colombia. It's one of the most biodiverse nations in the world with huge agriculture developmental needs. The SLCAG unit supports agriculture across Latin America for those with backgrounds in agronomy, food systems, rural development, or environmental sciences. Next up is Argentina, and this is one of a standout, I would say, in the tech community. AI integration in the LCC 7C unit. So, if you want computer science, data science, or AI, and you want to apply those skills to real world development, then this is a rare and remarkable opportunity to do exactly that an international institution does. Then comes in Panama, which sits at the crossroads of two oceans and two continents with extraordinary rich biodiversity. The SLCEO unit works on nature based finance, essentially making the case for paying to protect ecosystems for environmental science, sustainability, or finance graduates. And we have the agriculture, which is again in Brazil, same, which is SLCAG unit. If agriculture development in the world's largest agriculture economy interests you, then this is another entry point. So we are left with role 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, a quick up first. So investment side, when I'm going to talk about this is going to be the massive one, because the CTSPD unit operates across Johannesburg, Lagos, Istanbul, Mumbai, Sao Paulo, and Panama cities. 6 cities. If you are interested in private sector investment and want international flexibility, then this position gives you an option across 3 continents. Then we have the investment now, but it is International Finance Corporation, which is a private sector arm of the World Bank Group. Locations include Belgrade, Bucharest, Tbilisi, and other European IFC offices for finance and business graduates interested in emerging market investment. Then we have a dedicated investment role in Romania, one of the most dynamic emerging economies in Central and Eastern Europe, Unit CM6E2. Then we have finance, economics, business administration in the three Balkan and Caucasus locations. I'm sorry if my pronunciation is not good. I'm extremely sorry for that. Serbia, Albania, and Georgia. The CF6U2 unit covers a broad range of functions. This is ideal if you have a cross-disciplinary background across finance, economics, or technology. Then we have Chile for you guys, South America's most stable economy and a major hub for Latin America developmental and finance. The CM6 L2 unit for business, finance, accounting graduates. Then last and the least, we have the CACES unit works on environmental and social safeguards across the World Bank projects, essentially ensuring the development projects don't harm communities or ecosystems. For environmental science, social science, and development studies graduates, two of Africa's biggest cities as your base. So, that's it. So let me talk you through what you get actually, because that's the most important thing, don't you feel so? Okay, so this is a 2-year extended term consultant contract. That is not an internship. Okay, it is a professional employment contract with the World Bank Group. The benefits include a full monthly salary funded entirely by the UAE Trust Fund, health insurance, standard World Bank ETC benefits, annual leave entitlement, mentorship from a task team leader or senior manager, and the conference and learning exposure as part of WBG preparations. The ability to apply to full WBG positions after the program ends, meaning this is a direct pipeline into a full World Bank career. The program starts around September 2026 for successful candidates. How to apply? Here is how you need to apply. I want you to be very clear about the process because it has multiple steps. Okay, first I'm go to the link which I provided, okay, in the YouTube description. um Search for the required number of the roles that you're interested in, so the application link over here, okay. And then you going to complete the online application by clicking on this link, the application link you can see. So if you click on it, you're going to get the application form. You need your CV, a cover letter or personal statement, your academic transcript and degree certificate, proof of your nationality as well, demonstration of English proficiency, and you need to submit it before the July of 15 2026, which is 23:59. So if you have any questions, you can email the program team, which is WBG Explorers @worldbankgroup.org. Please note you can apply for more than one role, but be strategic. Pick the one that generally aligns with academic backgrounds and your interests. A tailored application will always beat a generic one. Now let me give you some of the tips for standing out in this application, because competition for World Bank groups is always high. Tip 1, you need to lead with a development motivation, because World Bank is looking for people who cares about the mission, reducing poverty, promoting sustainable growth, SDGs if you know, okay, improving lives. Your cover letter should open it and why you care about the international development, not just what you studied, right? Tip 2, match your background to the role. If you are an economist applying for the water role, explain why. If you're an IT graduate applying for AI integration, connect your skills to development challenges explicitly. Tip 3, use specific examples, not like I have strong analytics skills. Instead, you should use like, in my final dissertation, I modeled the economic impact of water scarcity in specific regions. So specificity wins. So be specific. Tip 4, show international mindset. The World Bank is placing you in another country for 2 years. In your cover letter, show that you have got thought about this, that you understand the country's development content, and then you are genuinely excited about the specific location. Tip 5, don't wait until the July 14th. Applications may be reviewed on a rolling basis, and earlier submissions give selectors more time to notice you. So, this is the WBG Explorers Program 2026, 15 roles, 14 countries, fully funded 2 years exclusively for the UAE nationals, and it closes in 5 days. So, this is you, or if you know someone this could be for, please share this video right now. Send it to your friends, your family group, your university WhatsApp. This is the kind of opportunity that changes careers. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It generally helps more people find this content. And subscribe to Scholarship for more opportunities like this one. PhDs, master programs, fellowship, professional programs. I cover it all. All the required numbers and contact details are in the description below. Go apply right now, and you have got 5 days. I'll see you in the next one.